It's Tian here from Rigideck. So today we fitted our Multiflex foldable sliding full aluminium hardcover on this brand new P300 Limited. It already had the factory fitted sports bar fitted on it, so we actually designed this cover to work with the sports bar. We don't elevate it at all, and we don't drill into this vehicle's bin at all. We can fit this entire product without drilling a single hole into the bin, and it's the only aluminium hardcover that allows you to do that to fit it without drilling a single hole into the bin. So guys, this cover operates as easy as you open the tailgate, slide it back, fold it over, and now I can simply position it anywhere I want on the bin, or I can slide out the entire cover if I need to as well. This is also the only cover that allows you to actually access your stuff close to the cab without removing the entire product. No other aluminium hardcover allows you to do this. So guys, if you want to put it back, you simply fold it over, push it forward, line it in the slots, and there we go. You just press it over the weather tight seal in the front. It's got a weather tight seal at the back as well. So now I just simply shut my tailgate, and seeing as this has got central locking in the tailgate, if I lock it now, it's completely locked. You can only open this cover once the tailgate is open. So guys, if your vehicle is in need of a proper hardcover solution, which is an aluminium hardcover solution, please contact me today for a free quote and we can get it sorted for you. Have a lucky day. Cheers.